I feel like the atmosphere is really electric. I mean, listen to it right now, and this is the last day of the show.
Well, it's a great chance for us to gather new business and see what's new in the industry.
See you at the next IT Expo.
We'll be here.
Hey, it's Rich Tehrani with TMC. We're here at SD-WAN Expo and ITEXPO 2018. Rob McBride is with us. He's with Versa Networks. And Rob, welcome to the show. How are you?
Hey, pretty good, Rich. Thank you. Glad to be here.
Yeah, our pleasure, really. SD-WAN Expo, you're a big part of that. Tell us a little bit about what you're doing in that space.
So from a company perspective, we're providing and we're trying to transform the business of networking by software defining it. And so obviously a part of that is SD-WAN. And of course you guys have been wonderful enough to put together an expo focused on this specific topic. SD-WAN obviously is intended to kind of transform the way that enterprises connect to their various different clouds and things of that nature. And here at the expo right now, we're seeing a number of different talks and speeches and all of us vendors coming together to kind of educate the various different attendees here too.
Very cool. Now, how have you seen the market change in the last 3-4 years, SD-WAN?
It's exploded, quite frankly. It went from this simple idea, I think back around 2000, I think around 14, I think is maybe when some of the few of us had started. But it's now getting to the point where SD-WAN might become the de facto mode of connectivity for a lot of enterprises because it solves some very deep-rooted operational and cost issues that they're all experiencing right now.
Now, in terms of differentiation, the customers that buy from you, what are some of the reasons that they choose?
I think the first one that we like to say is that we take networking and security and we put them together. So the big differentiation from Versa aspect is we provide deep-rooted security natively into SD-WAN. And on top of that, we provide you big data analytics brought into SD-WAN so you can get the enhanced visibility above and beyond vanilla SD-WAN, if you want to call it that way. So quickly, right, we take networking, security, put it together, and that's our differentiated value point. And then we obviously provide that through a deep-rooted analytic engine that we actually also have in our unified centralized management platform.
Fantastic. Now, in terms of pricing and return on investment, do you see customers looking at an investment in SD-WAN based on ROI and that kind of model?
I think it's part of it. I had some conversations here actually at the show, related to cloud, and one of the questions is asked, what's actually driving SD-WAN? Is it cost or is it maybe cloud? And the real answer is that both are together. The cloud's driving customers to change what their wide area network needs to do for them and how it serves them, and then associated to that then becomes a cost discussion because they need to change the WAN and maybe their existing methods. We primarily like to communicate that MPLS might be a little bit too costly for some businesses, and so they want to change that out. So that's where the cost discussion comes into play and might be driving some businesses. They want cheaper bandwidth, but more bandwidth. SD-WAN helps them consume that a little bit more easily, but ultimately cloud is what's driving their business needs, and SD-WAN helps them facilitate and optimize their cloud connectivity also too as well.
What's next for the company?
Keep doing what we do, wake up every single day, try to make the best product we can for our customers, and try to make them surprised and wow them, basically. I'm being a little distant from it, right? But ultimately, that's really our goal, right? We want to ensure that we keep delivering the best-in-class product we can to the market, keep software-defining more stuff. So I think that's really more of a theme you'll see from Versa. It's not just the WAN. We do more than the WAN. And ultimately, it's really about the software-defining the entire edge and kind of changing and transforming what the network does for your entire business at the edge.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you.